Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can open TikTok application in mute. Like you're sitting in a classroom or anywhere which is a public place and you still want to enjoy watching TikTok videos, but once you open the application, maybe the sound is too much and that is embarrassing for you. So how you can open TikTok without the sound? It is pretty easy. Watch this video till the end and you will find out. So the first thing you need to do is to open TikTok application, and as you can see now there is a sound when I open the application. The next thing you need to do is to tap on your profile at the bottom, and from here you need to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. From there you need to go to settings and privacy. You need to scroll down a bit where you will find playback. You need to tap on that. Once you tap on that one, all you need to do is to enable that one, open TikTok in mute. So once you do that, all you need to do is to close the application one time and then open it again. So guys, now as you can see, there is no sound actually right now on TikTok. If you want to enable the sound again, all you need to do is to press the increase volume button, and now you can hear the sound on your TikTok application. So guys, this is all it takes to mute TikTok when you open it. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.